I came in with no knowledge of anything related to this, and I feel confident going home and being able to give a great product and give what we're promising people.
Brock and Emily Shelton, Lincoln, Nebraska. We came down here to learn the Lil Bubba system.
My name is Frank Oliver, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. And
my name is Mike Richardson. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. And we are now here at Mr. Bubba's fine establishment. It's going to make just a bunch of money.
Actually, I wanted to get my own yard done. Upon looking into it, I stumbled upon Lil Bubba.
It's exceeded my expectations, and I came in a little bit skeptical, not knowing what I was really getting into. From everything to how to quote, how to sell, how to give somebody the product that you represent and that you're talking to them about from the time you quote.
Gordon gave us the best information as far as marketing goes. The marketing strategies that he made his mistakes on, he was able to polish us up on to give us the proper knowledge to go out into the world and basically tackle whatever situation we needed to.
People were asking me, well, what are you going to charge? What are you going to charge? And I didn't realize the ability that you can add on to and cross-sell and build the business off one question. And that's where I messed up, but that was good to come down here and actually see the whole scope of this. You get to see the production, you get to meet the people, you get to get the training, and then you get to follow through. And you don't get that in a lot of businesses.
I wouldn't have the slightest idea of what to do if I hadn't had this extensive training in the beginning in order for me to start my business.
I came in with no knowledge of anything related to this, and I feel confident going home and being able to give a great product and give what we're promising people.
It gave me a sense of control. It gives you the confidence that this is your company. You're going to put whatever efforts and energies you have into it, and it's going to bring you your own profit pertaining upon your work ethic.
I think it's good to have that group setting. You learn a lot of different characteristics.
So when you work with different people in training, it gives you an idea of, what he's thinking, what I'm thinking, and how we can collaborate.
You got a different range of questions as well. Because we were in a group setting, other people were asking questions that we may not have thought of. And so things were answered that we may have gone home and gone, oh, whoa, wait, what are we running into? That we ran into a number of different scenarios because we were in a group rather than just a one-on-one. I haven't run any type of equipment like this. But as soon as you got behind it, it was easy.
The digital package for wraps and websites, that was very, very good. It's very extensive. It allows you to put more time into hands-on rather than having to worry about the website and putting pictures up. So I thought that was a very good option offered.
The goal is really to become more financially sound all the way around.
The goal is just to get the word out, study it, work on it, perfect it.
We're going away with knowledge, an incredible product, and the confidence to give our customers what they want, that it's a no-brainer. We would sign up again in a heartbeat.